Trillium Diversified Services has been specializing in only hardscape cleaning and sealing applications since 1997. We specialize in the cleaning and sealing of only horizontal and vertical hardscape surfaces such as concrete pavers, clay pavers, stamped concrete, colored concrete, exposed aggregate, and wall brick. You demand the best, you get the best with Trillium. In some cases, old, over-applied, or low-grade sealer that has blushed, turned white or yellow may have to be stripped off your brick or stamped concrete. In this case, Trillium Diversified utilizes environmentally friendly, industrial-grade, water-soluble stripper and a hot water pressure washer to remove the old sealer. When Trillium starts your project, you can be assured that all work will be performed in a highly professional manner, on time and on budget. We begin by edging as needed. If efflorescence is present, we will apply a mild acidic product called Efflow Wash to remove this chalky whitish stain. We then pre-treat any other stains and proceed to power wash. We utilize high-end professional-grade hot and cold water pressure washers that pack a real punch. After the surface is dry, typically 24 to 48 hours, we make minor repairs and adjustments as needed. We then proceed to install Techny Seal premium quality polymeric sand in all joints. After plate compacting and activating, we let the product cure. Plate compaction is a critical step in the process which contributes to the long-term durability of the product. Most of the other guys apply sealer in one of two ways, by utilizing a garden-type pump sprayer or by simply rolling on the product. Both of these methods are outdated and inferior compared to Trillium Diversified's high-pressure atomized spray process. Trillium Diversified applies 2 coats of wet look sealer or 1 flood coat of natural finish sealer to all projects. Trillium Diversified Services, insisting on only the highest standards of quality. Welcome to our world.